This is Scales 5 and over architectural scales. Place your name here, print it, your last name, and place your date of completion here when you finish it. The architectural scale may be used in mechanical, civil, chemical, and other engineering projects. Anything dealing with large scale, large objects, it's going to be what you want to use. Structural is also included in there. The scale is this scale is the most difficult to use when calculations are needed because it's in feet and inches. So what you have to recognize is that it is an open divided scale, and that in this direction it is divided, in this direction it's open. Over here there are no increments, inches and fractions, so each mark going this side of the zero is feet. This mark is inches or fractions of an inch. So this is a foot, so 12 inches, this would be 6, half of 6 would be 3. There's 1, 2, 3 divisions, so each one of these marks is 1 inch. So for this measurement, we look from 0 over to this side, over to the left, in your case over to the right. That would be 4 feet, 3 inches. And you would note it like so. Another example, we're measuring ½ inch equals a foot, so every ½ inch would be a foot, and this way is 1 foot divided up into 12 equal parts, so 6, 3, that means each mark is an inch. So we look and we see it's on 3, 6, 9 inches over here, and we look past the 0 and we see it's on the 8, which is 8 feet, so it's 8 feet 9 inches. We look at the ½ inch equals a foot, and the divided portion is 1 foot, so that's 6 inches. There's 3 divisions, so 3 into 6 would be 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it's pointing to the 2, 4 inches mark. We look over here and it's pointing to the 15, which would be 15 feet. And we write it as 15 feet dash 4 inches. So your job is really quite simple on this sheet, is just to simply look at the measurements, find the foot mark and the inch mark, interpret it, and write the answer. Before you, when you finish, that is, take a digital photograph looking straight into the sheet so that it's not skewed like you see on the screen right now. And make it as square and as straight as possible, and then send that picture to me, usually in a JPEG format, scales -5 dash, and then your initials. That's what you'll name the photograph. When you first take the photograph, you'll have to possibly go into your file system and rename it before you email it to me.